Hey everyone, Kyle and Ryan here from Barry Harley-Davidson. As you can see behind me, Ryan's got a lot of boxes, and that's because motorcycles weren't the only thing we received. Oh, you okay back there? He's all right, he's fine. Don't even worry about it. We got all kinds of new parts and accessories, some really cool collections that Ryan's gonna show off for us right here, right now. Ryan, show us what you got.
Yeah, so this is the Empire collection.
Nice.
Don't mind the scratches.
Oh, hey.
This is the machine cut, so you got the black and the anodized aluminum there.
Nice.
You can also get this full collection in a chrome and a black.
Ooh.
We're just gonna unpackage some of the parts we got for you. Hand controls, foot controls, timing cover, derby covers, axle nut covers. They've got the whole collection this year. So
Dang.
let's take a look at some of the stuff.
Let's do it. Insert montage. We like to voice over our own stuff. Oh, this is a floorboard. All right.
This is a full floorboard. Yeah, look at that.
That's really beautiful, actually.
That's just gorgeous.
I like that.
Some weight to them. Like, these are solid.
Decent. Oh, nice.
Like, grab that.
I was gonna put it on my. Oh my God. Yeah, that is heavy. Actually, that is pretty decent though.
That's solid.
That's nice. That is nice.
So that's most of the collection right there.
Nice.
Yep.
That's real nice.
What do you want?
Is this good? Yes. Screen time you will have.
This is my turn, Ryan.
Yeah. Ryan.
Have to get in everyone.
Nice.
What do you think of it, Ryan?
Yeah. First reaction.
First reaction.
Get over here.
I like them.
Nice.
I think they're pretty cool.
You see how heavy they are?
Yeah. Feel the weight. Right?
I don't know if you can hear that, guys.
I think you should be able to. I mean, that's pretty solid.
No, that was also solid. Don't do it to that one.
No, that's a nice looking.
It is, yeah.
It's
The
a nice looking
new
collection.
Empire collection. We set it up so it looks a little bit nicer. For
That's probably.
pictures.
You a marketing guy or something?
Yeah.
Oh man, you're doing a
I'm
great job.
coming for you.
Here's all my stuff.
Jesus. Now this is solid.
That's got some weight to it.
You wanna know how you tell it's solid?
You apply the same exact method,
What button do you press? There's too many of them here.
right? You just find one that works.
Oh, wow.
Miles, first reaction, new Empire collection. That's right.
Gotta get in a good angle here.
Boom. Look at this.
Wow.
Great.
Nicely made stuff.
Great. Pretty cool, eh? Yup. That's the floorboards are real nice.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Well, this was a lot of fun. Yeah, grips are nice, eh? There you go. Ryan, you look like a natural with that camera, bud.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is it.
That's it.
This is the Empire collection.
That's perfect. We're
We got
gonna
the chrome, gloss black, and as you can see here, the contrast cut.
boom.
Give us a call if you got any questions, guys.
Thank you, buddy.
Yeah, no problem.